Hello, good morning guys. And today, we're traveling in Cebu. And on this route, we are gonna go to Osmeña Boulevard. Uh, and this is the BRT. Sa kayo may tabuan eh. And I think they should launch this soon because we need public transport na mahal na yan yung taxi, mahal na yan yung mga kuan, and we need an efficient public transport, diba? Kaya mumahal ang gasolina yun, mumahal ang crudo, mao na fact. I don't know how much, mao na lang na ang issue, but we know it's gonna drastically increase because of the war. So we need this. We need public transportation, affordable public transportation, fast, reliable. We don't want to waste, this the billions na nag-spend. Ano billions ani taon eh. Oh, di ba? Pero di ba billions na i-spend? Di ba? Pa sila gibuhat kayo. So dapat ilagay malayon paldo, as they say, para magpaita ng paldo eh. Anyway, so wala. We are gonna talk about that thing, looming. Are you worried? Is it time to, not really panic, but to hoard, to buy mga pagkaon ng mga dilata, mahal ng dilata, tipid na ta. So magtipid ko na ta. But is it time na I think we have gonna be a diet of canned goods. Pait kayo. Or kinahanglan na rin time bita na mag-diet ang canned goods ani. Kay, lagi na, magira na. Ay, nagira na, nagira na. And fuel and energy prices will increase, and that will lead to inflation. Definitely inflation, yun na. Mumahal yung mga produkto, mga pagkaon. So may laing mumahal halos tanan mumahal mo yung mumahal ng bakasyon, lamig kay bakasyon. Yung mga nakabook na, good luck na lang, di ba? Kaya wag naghibaw sa rin tapos inyo. Mumahal ang fuel, mumahal ang what will happen to the industry as well. So we're always gonna be worried about it. And yeah, I'm worried about it. I'm actually scared also now. Especially no summer, di ba? Kung di nila ma-resolve, if they can't resolve this fast, lisod kayo. We will suffer. Di ba? Suffer ang mga ordinaryo mga tao. Actually, we're not a party on this war, but we're gonna be affected. Maoni itong huna ba na I'm really worried about the situation. We might not see it yet, but if this persists, there will be problems. Not only about income, it's all about what you can buy. You might have the same salary, but the income, the prices of goods, the food, mahal na tanan, no? So what will we eat? Kamuti na lang we start. We probably have to start buying in cardboard. Cardboard na lang tayo, wala ko ingon. Dito magsikaw ng karne niya sa tapos karinderya. Di ba? Sa iyon kaya ito ingon na sometimes karon, a lot of people vlog tag mga laming pagkaon. But in the end, we have to think about this, what's happening ba? And maybe just like the pandemic a few years ago, this will lead us to, adjust our lifestyles to something. So, mo-adapt. Palit ng itatag mga paratong pagkaon, mukhaon tag-utan. Maybe, yes, maghimot ang mga we'll be eating mga dilata because ang mahitabo na to ba? Sakay ng balik og jeep. Mahal man sa ng jeep. Di ba? Klamo masan ko na sila kay mga taas ang diesel ko ng pila. Maybe it's time to take advantage ng sidewalk sale. 30 to 40, 50% off diri sa metro. But yes, paano itong kuhan ba? Atong ilang kawarihan. Gina akong kawarihan. We will see what happens, Lord. And I'm so worried about maybe mabalik mo sa sarili yun ang uban sa tiyali. Maybe this time will lead us to trust in God more. Pero mana what adjustment we will make, wala na ako kung we have to be prepared. Because if it's right na marag increase ang diesel ng 20, imagine 20 pesos increase. That's bordering crazy actually. May lang itong pandemic thing, di parato noong mga gasolina karon bali mahal. Although kasuway na taani before, but diba? It's not a good time. It's not a good time to remember those things. Diba? So manang maybe buckle up. We always kanang term na buckle up, save up. Hindi na tayo magpatakang laag. Diba? With this kind of situation, wala. Magtipid ta, we need to adjust our lifestyle, I would say. Diba? Labi na kaning mga batanon ron, diba? You want to be cool kids, dili ta magkuan lang ta. Ma-adjust sa atong lifestyle. Diba? So, uban magnindot pa kayo mga EV, mga vehicle nila, di ba? Wala, nindot na, pero hindi po na mga rason na maglaglaag, magkalas-kalas ba? Because everything will increase, so wala. Hinay-hinay lang. But mali akong question, di ba? Is it time for us to, buy mga canned goods na, mga kung is canned goods sa mga preserve og dugay, so kana ba yan ba mao na nato mga pagkaon palit ang dilata later di nga I'm gonna shop for mga canned goods na yung mga dilata, because we don't know, di ba, kung ma-increase lang kapil. Businessmen or businessman, so they will sometimes they'll increase prices way ahead of when it should increase, di ba? For example, kaling oil, di ba, mahal na sila karon, let's say karon Lunes, but the stocks will arrive mga 2 months from now. So mga bright months na sila, I'm pretty sure di pala sila mapalit, diba, at this price. Or they will buy but not too much, so diba, then probably ilam na itong ng forecast kung mo-adjust na o mo-stabilize ba ni ato pa sila mamalit. Although lagi usahay kasi maghimo ang supply gap, but bali yun kanina oil karon or kaning Lunes mga oil in the next few weeks were bought at the time that's dili pa kuha ng oil, di ba? Di pa mahal, di ba? Sayo kayo sila mo increase of price, di ba? Pero mahal lagi kayo because they have to order regularly or else they'll have a supply gap, di ba? So I guess kung bright to sila at that time, katong kabaw na sila na hugihong sa gira, di mo na stock up already. Diba? Pero it's hard to speculate, or that's not our job, but kuhaan lang kung that's what's happening. if it's true that, you know, diesel naman, double digit na increase sa price, that's definitely gonna trickle down or even, you know, go down to end it will end up sa consumers gihapon. So food prices, transport prices mo mahal na yan na. So that's inflation, yun na inflationary effect. So kay bao naman tala mo increase kini mga presyo in the coming weeks or months. So we have to prepare, adjust, and maybe even stock up on, you know, food na ma-preserve. Dilata. Although ba lagi na, they always say na it's unhealthy, but during war, mo na yung pagkaon-taon during difficult times, or mo na mga arbo na tagbalik, mga tag-utan. Okay, mama na barato gihapon ng utan sa tamo na mo mahal ng mga pait na kay kung mahal na kuan kundi mananom na lang yung ka kung hindi tag mahalo na nila mga kangkong diha. Kao tagbalik og kangkong alugbati na libre na kusog na tubo talong. Diba? So wala. And aside from that, of course, prayer power na lang. And wala, this is Cebu situation. And thank you so much for watching. And by the way, I'm using my new Huawei Pura 80 yung kanina video ba. I don't know kung maayo nilang yung video capabilities of Huawei, but we will see pag-upload na to. Pero and mau na atong kuan lang. Palit pag yung ko. But it's just time to really, you know, upgrade. And my last phone is still ako workhorse was an iPhone 2014 pa na. Kuan ba? iPhone 14 Pro pa. Ay 2024 ba. So I guess it was time to wala lang talaga iPhone. Okay. I'm trying out the new Huawei ecosystem. We'll see what it will do. It will be kuan ba maayo ba Huawei. So guys, I'm gonna go and see yung thoughts about it, especially to our friends who are on the other side of the world. So sa inyong thoughts, ano yung pag-andoy, yung analysis of the situation, and what are you trying to do to prepare in case this will really go and linger. What about to worry if this lingers? Okay, if ma-stabilize na, balik na maghapon sa normal ang precious gasolina. But if it lingers, sama itong Russia o kanang Ukraine war, it lingered. Diba? That's kuha na. Diba? Hatod karon maghapon na resolve. Diba? Lagot kito akong mga some of my followers are one about, diba, yan na situation ba, yeah, but sabot kita, yes, war is not an easy thing, and it will affect people right now. It will affect people even across the world. You could get out of Middle East, but because of the fuel and everything, even travel is affected. So we'll see what happens. Just gonna hope lang have put that together. Diba? Bye guys.